Hi guys, it's Master Coach Tony Morgan, and today's video is on a Biasi M96 28S. So I've got a quick question for you. I'm going to start the boiler up and I want you to tell me what you think the problem is. So I'm going to put the heating on. My customer's going to turn the thermostat for me and you'll hear it start. So just listen up guys. You'll hear the demand come on in a sec. So, you can turn the thermostat back down. Anyway, it'll stop. Maybe not, maybe it won't. So, question time. If you know what the fault is, drop me a line, put me a post in the description, a comment, so we'll see who gets it right, and I'll get back to you. So that's going to be in this short video. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.